Hello, plant lovers! Welcome to our channel. Today we're counting down the top pink houseplants that'll bring joy and style to your space. Let's dive in. Pink houseplants are perfect for adding a pop of color and vibrancy to any room. Not only do they brighten up your space, but they also purify the air and boost your mood. One pink prayer plant first up. We have this stunning pink prayer plant. Its vibrant pink leaves with green edges will add a touch of elegance to any room. Two pink polka dot plant next. We have the playful pink polka dot plant. Its bright pink leaves with green dots are sure to bring a smile to your face. 3 pink bromeliad. The pink bromeliad is a low-maintenance stunner. Its vibrant pink flowers will brighten up any space. And it's a great air purifier too. 4 pink anthurium. The pink anthurium is a popular choice for its heart-shaped pink flowers. It's elegant, long-lasting, and perfect for adding a touch of sophistication. 5 pink calathea. Last but not least, we have the striking pink calathea. Its pink patterns and vibrant leaves will add a tropical vibe to your space. Let's dive deeper into the fascinating world of pink houseplants. The reason why some houseplants turn pink is due to a combination of factors, including 1. Anthocyanins. These pigments are responsible for the red, purple, and pink colors in plants. As plants mature, anthocyanins can become more prominent, giving them a pink hue. 2. Serotinoids. These pigments produce yellow and orange colors, but in combination with anthocyanins, they can create pink shades. 3. Environmental factors. Temperature, light, and soil pH can influence the production of anthocyanins, causing leaves or flowers to turn pink. 4. Genetics. Some plants are naturally more prone to producing pink colors due to their genetic makeup. 5. Stress response. Plants may produce more anthocyanins as a response to stress, such as intense light or drought, which can cause a pink tint. These factors can vary depending on the plant species, so each pink houseplant is unique. And there you have it, our top pink houseplants that'll bring joy and style to your space. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration.